Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Morning, son. I'm leaving to my work right now. I left you some money on the table. Okay, Dad. Have a good day. I'll see you later, I suppose. Wait a minute. What's going on? You look sad. What happened? I'm fine, Dad. Just go to work. Don't worry about me. Take care. I know you perfectly, and I know you're not fine. Come on, Sebastian. You can tell me. I know I'm a little old, but I'm your dad. I will try to understand what you have to say. Yeah, but I don't think you can understand. It's about that expression. I already know. You have a problem with a girl, right? How do you know? I didn't tell you anything about that yet. How's that possible? I'm old enough to know those kind of things. Plus, you're my son. I know you very well. Well, you're right. I didn't tell you this, but I have a girlfriend. Well, I had. But I don't want Mom to know about it, please. She won't understand. Can I trust you, Dad? Of course, son. Why don't we go to the balcony so we can talk better? Alright, here we can talk. Now tell me, who is this girl? Well, she's one of our neighbors. Jocelyn. I'm sure you know her. Jocelyn. Oh, Jocelyn. Of course, I know her.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Yeah,
Daily
well,
English.
we have been friends
Thank
for
you
more
for
than
watching.
5 years, and I always liked her. So I asked her to be my girlfriend last month, and happily she said yes. That was amazing. Of course, she had to say yes. You are my son, and you're a good boy. Congratulations. Yes, Dad, that was great, but then something happened. I'm very sad. What happened? Don't tell me you broke up with her. Did that happen? Yeah, we broke up. We broke up yesterday, and I feel terrible now. I don't know what to do. Okay, do not panic. Just relax and tell me. How did that happen? Tell me everything. Alright, I'm gonna tell you. It turns out that she's a very jealous girl. Seriously. She gets angry just because I talk to other girls in the school and in the neighborhood. And she gets angry every time I talk to Susan. Do you remember Susan? Our neighbor? Yes, of course I remember Susan. You have been friends since you were a baby. Yeah, well, she's like my best friend, and we sometimes hang out together. Just like friends, do not misunderstand me. I don't like her at all, Dad. But Jocelyn says she's in love with me. She says I don't want to admit it, but that's not true. Susan is just my friend. She doesn't like me or something like that. But my girlfriend doesn't believe me. Or she didn't believe me and broke up with me. I tried to explain her I love her and not Susan, but she doesn't want to understand. I need to know something. How often do you go out with Susan? What? No, we don't go out. I mean, we don't go to the movies or parties. We always talk. We talk every day. Sometimes we go for ice cream or a burger. But that's it. We play together. You know she comes home sometimes. But she has done that since I was a child. We grew up together, Dad. You know that. She was always there for me when I needed help, and she helped me when I asked her to do it. When I had an accident, she visited me every day at the hospital. She gave me flowers and chocolates. She knows I love chocolate. She was always kind to me. When I went on vacations, we were always texting each other and talking on the phone. But it doesn't mean I love her, right? I mean, she's just my friend. That's it. Are you sure you don't love her? Are you totally sure? What? Of course. She's only my best friend. We always talk and have fun all the time. Every time I talk to her, I have fun and feel like she's my sister or something more. Every time I talk to her, I feel I can tell her all my problems and she won't judge me at all. She always makes me laugh with her jokes. She's the funniest girl, I know that. And her smile can make anyone smile just by looking at her. She's special. Oh, and also very intelligent. She got the first prize in the math contest last year. We celebrated together. We went to the movies and I invited her a smoothie. She loves it. Oh, she also loves flowers. She loves tulips and sunflowers. They're her favorite. Sunflowers are beautiful, but not as beautiful as her. She has a beautiful smile and eyes. Have you seen her eyes? They are sky blue. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. When she goes to the school, she uses that color I gave her 3 years ago. I gave it to her in her birthday. She told me it was the best gift she could ever have. She's really special to me, but it doesn't mean I love her or like her. I don't, Dad. I don't love Jocelyn. I love Susan. She's the love of my life and the best girl I could meet. And one day we will get married and have children. It will be amazing. Sebastian, son, did you hear what you just said? What? I said a lot of things. What do you exactly mean, Dad? You said you loved Susan, not Jocelyn. You said Susan. I heard it. What are you talking about? I said I love Susan, the most beautiful girl. Uh-oh. Yes, that's right. You love Susan, not Jocelyn, and that's why she's jealous. Girls know when we don't love them, and we feel something for any other girl. They always know. You love Susan, and you have to tell her what you feel. That's what you have to do. I haven't thought about it, but I think you're right. Susan was always special to me and I would talk to her right now. Thank you so much for your help, Dad. I love you so much. Yeah, that's okay. My son is growing fast. I'm really happy to be here for him. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend.
Friends, thanks for watching my video.